Stop scrolling. If you've been researching your business idea for more than 30 days and still haven't spoken to a single potential customer, this video is for you. Ask yourself, am I building a business or am I building a mood board? Be honest, no shade, because we've all been there. Today we're going to flip one switch in your brain that turns planning into progress. Stay with me. This could save you 6 months of feeling overwhelmed. Hi, I'm Michelle from Mindset to Market. We exist to help first-time founders get clarity and actually launch their business. I've worked in business development, coached founders, and I've seen the same pattern play out time after time. People don't get stuck because they're lazy. They get stuck because their mindset is wired for safety and not action. So in the next few minutes, we'll walk through a quick check to spot your mindset traps. Then we'll walk through the real reasons most founders get stuck. And after that, we'll cover the 3 mindset shifts to help you become a doer. And finally, one small challenge you can complete this week to get moving. So grab a pen because this is going to be practical. To begin, I want you to answer these 3 questions out loud or in your notebook. Remember, this is a no judgment area. In the last 14 days, how many real customer conversations have you had? Number 2, have you written your offer in one clear sentence? And number 3, do you have a deadline for your first product? If your answers were 0, not really, soon, you're in dreamer mode, and that's normal. You see, our brain avoids uncertainty, but businesses aren't built in your head, they are built in the wild. Think about Sarah Blakely. She didn't start Spanx because she had a perfect plan. She started with an ugly prototype. Reid Hoffman says if you're not embarrassed by your first version of your product, you've launched too late. And that's not motivational fluff. It's a strategy for beating your brain's fear loop. The why. Here's the loop that keeps first-time founders stuck. It starts with the belief of once I know enough, then I'll start. So the behavior becomes endless research, tweaking logos, comparing yourself to others, and the result? No feedback, no momentum, and honestly, more self-doubt than when you started. But here's the flip side. Clarity comes from action. Eris Rice put it perfectly in the Lean Startup. He said, build, measure, learn. So instead of hiding behind planning, talk to 5 people and measure what happens. And the result? You've got real data and you've got a better plan for next time. Shift number 1. Here's the thing. Most first-time founders see failure as a verdict, but failure is data. Thomas Edison once said, I haven't failed. I've found 10,000 ways that won't work. That's the game. Each attempt gives you new information. So write this in your notebook right now. 1 failed test doesn't mean you're a failure, but rather 1 failed test means more information. So how do you apply it this week? Super simple. First, run a quick 5-question survey to 10 potential customers. Don't overthink the design, just send it. Then measure what surprised you, not what made you feel safe. Shift number 2. Move from I need to know everything to I'll learn as I go. Stephen Pressfield calls this resistance, that snaky voice that says you need more preparation. And the cure to this is micro commitment. Here's how you apply it. First, to give yourself 24 hours to create an ugly version of your offer, a script, a landing page, a 1-page outline, whatever it is. Keep it to 1 page or 1 screen, that's it. Then book a 15-minute feedback call with someone who might actually buy. The point isn't to get it right, the point is to make version 2 inevitable. The last shift, move from perfection to cadence. We all know perfection kills momentum, but cadence builds momentum. Think about it. 1 video a week for a year is way more powerful than 1 perfect video that never gets posted. 1 customer chat a day beats 6 hours of research. Here's your cadence plan. Number 1, pick 1 daily action. Maybe it's outreach, maybe it's posting, maybe it's testing. Pick 1. Number 2, pick 1 weekly plan, maybe creating a video, a newsletter, or a landing page. Here's the big one. Protect 1 good hour in your calendar every week. Treat it like a meeting with your future self. You wouldn't cancel on your boss, so don't cancel on your business. This is non-negotiable. Just a real quick life example. A client of mine was struggling to get noticed. She felt like, everything she was posting was disappearing into the void. And we've all been there. So what we did was we set a simple rhythm: 3 posts a week, same time, same thing. No fancy edits, no viral stunts, just showing up. And by week 4, people were starting to comment and DM her. And then by week 8, she had doubled her audience and also set up a newsletter. Not because she went viral, but because she showed up consistently. And consistency builds momentum. You can't ignore that. Let's talk about the excuses, the one that's stopping you from taking action. I hear them all the time. I don't have time. I'll annoy people. What if I pick the wrong idea? Sounds familiar? So let's crush them. First one, I don't have time. To be honest with you, you don't need 4 hours. You just need 4 15-minute block. If you can scroll on your phone, you can definitely ship something. The trick? Stack it onto habits you already do. After your morning coffee, 15 minutes of outreach. James Clear calls this habit stacking. It's simple but powerful. Number 2, I don't want to annoy people. Think about it. You're not spamming, you're learning. Just ask, hey, can I run a 3-minute idea past you? Brutal honesty is welcome. People actually respect that kind of clarity. You're giving them an easy way out, and usually they'll say yes. The last one, what if I choose the wrong idea? That's exactly why we run small bets, because you'll know in days and not in months. The real risk isn't choosing the wrong idea. It's never choosing at all, because action beats perfection every time. Alright, it's time to lock this in and actually do something. Grab a pen and a notebook or your phone and follow along with me. You can pause this video as we go along. Number 1, write your offer in one simple sentence. Number 2, pick 5 people who match your audience. This could be your friends, colleagues, or people in your community. You can send this exact DM to all 5 of them today. Hey, my name is Joe. I'm building something for this audience who struggle with this problem. Could I run a 3-minute idea by you and get your honest feedback? Number 4, book 2 10-minute chats in the next 48 hours. And after each chat, ask yourself, what did I learn and what will I change for version 2? And here's the final piece. Comment done once you send these messages. Accountability is free momentum, and action is how you build confidence. Let's wrap this up. Success isn't about finding the perfect idea. It's about running small bets, keeping a steady cadence, and treating failure as data. Learn in public, take the L's, and the confidence will show up along the way. If you're ready to move from dreamer mode to doer mode, we have a free launch kit which includes templates, questions, and a simple checklist to help you choose and validate your idea in a week. You can find the link below. And if you want us in your corner, book a clarity call. It's 45 minutes and no fluff. We'll map out your next step and lock in your first small actions. The next videos in this series will help you choose the right business idea step by step. So subscribe and don't miss out. Oh, and seriously, once you've sent those 5 messages, drop down in the comments. I'll be cheering you on. Remember, you don't need more courage to start. You just need a small first step. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.